Hello everyone, myself Ashish from Computer Science and Design branch. My topic is Smart Agriculture and Precision Farming Technologies. Smart agriculture, also known as precision farming or digital agriculture, refer to the use of advanced technologies and data-driven approaches to optimize various aspects of farming and crop management. It involves the integration of information and communication technologies and data analytics into agriculture practices. First one, research the basics. Begin by researching the fundamentals of smart agriculture and precision farming. Understand key concepts like IoT sensors, data analytics, and automation in farming. Second one, identify current trends. Explore the latest trends and developments in the field. Look for recent case studies, research papers, and news articles that showcase real world applications of smart agriculture. Third one, study IoT sensors. Dive deeper into IoT sensors used in agriculture. Learn about the types of sensors and how they collect data to improve crop management. Explore the data analytics. Investigate how data analytics and machine learning are employed to process the data collected from sensors. Understand how predicted modeling and decision support system can optimize farming practices. Learn about automation. Explore automation technologies like autonomous tractor and drones. Understand how they can be used for tasks such as say planting, harvesting, and monitoring crops. Research the environmental benefits of smart agriculture, such as a reduced water usage, minimized chemical application, and decreased carbon footprints. Challenges and risk. Be aware of the challenges and risk associated with implementing these technologies, such as cybersecurity concern and need for proper infrastructure. Future possibilities. Consider the future possibilities of smart agriculture, including the integration of AI driven robots, blockchain for supply chain transparency, and sustainable farming practices. Case studies. Look for specific example of farm or organization that have successfully implemented smart agriculture technologies. Analyze their strategy and outcomes. Engage in discussion. Join online forums, communi- commu- communities, or conference related to smart agriculture to engage in discussion with expert and enthusiasts. This can provide valuable insights and networking opportunities. Experiment the innovate. If you have the resources and interest, consider experimenting with the small scale smart agriculture projects or innovation to gain hands on experiments. Stay updated. Finally, remember that technology in this field is constantly evolving. Stay updated with the latest advancements and innovating by following industry news, journals, and research publication. And this one is smart agriculture drawing. Thank you.